Okay, about 820-ish, 825, something like that. This one's like 890 when we started. I get you an extra 50, 60 thou left. That doesn't work, see. Intake valve. Ooh, much better.
There we go.
Some people would actually move the trash can, but we don't do that around here.
We don't like efficiency.
Oh, jeez, I want too much. 800 now. We got more exhaust clearance than intake now. Got exciting.
Happens.
You notice I'm not equalizing that though. All right, where's the other head?
It is right here.
Ooh, this one looks like it hasn't been cut yet. First chance to screw it up. Intake, right? Oh, that's why it didn't go much. See, the intake wasn't as low as it's lower than the exhaust. That's why it cut more.
Are they very hard?
That one wasn't. The exhaust, the other one was. Different color.
Smoke.
So now we're only 840 this time. You get so carried away. It's hard to get good help. Oh, you're going to move the garbage can. There's about 820 now. Okay, this one here is way out, as I recall, 880, 890. Exhaust. I believe I found that laying around somewhere.
The drawer.
It was laying in the truck after I made it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, after I made it, it was in the truck.
Oh.
Jim's hasn't discovered that tool yet, so maybe I should send in my tool design.
Patent?
See my own special Tatro tool.
Exactly.
Or I just do it myself, not worry about it. I screwed up again. Two exhausts got extra clearance. Got excited about the Jim's tool.
Yeah.
You laughing on over there? Did you clean up my mess yet? No, look at that mess you left over there. Look at that. Orange crap everywhere.
Hey, that's Harley approved.
Once you Harley approved that garbage can right there next to you. Alright, so we got clearance for higher lift cams now. So we're going to put valve springs in there, crane springs. These should be good for probably close to 600 lift now, but on the two. The other two about 575,
Okay.
580. Enough for what you need. Alright, where's your other stuff at? So one of these was all screwed up, wasn't it?
No, they were fine. They were straight. I just blasted them. The two front ones. So they need home.
These two you screwed up.
I did.
But one we had didn't want to come out very good, remember? Not the valve guide?
I thought they weren't too bad. Maybe a little tight.
Just a little. So you go one machine to the next machine. So you got a little carried away on blasting that.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it doesn't want to go on there. That's not very fast. Yep, so let me turn that way down. That was in second gear. Now we're in high gear. Oh,
There
much
we
better.
go.
That's much better. I'm gonna be all here all day in second gear. At least it wasn't a low gear.
Alright. Spool it up to your kind of RPMs.
Yeah. Where's your dirty rag at? Oh, right in my pocket. See how it's not really super polished now?
Mm-hmm.
Somebody blasted it. This is already shiny.
Those ones did not get blasted.
Not up on top, no.
Where's my main shaft?
I don't know. Who worked on it last? Hey, come on. Stupid Harley mechanics. Did they have a swear job over at Harley Davidson?
What?
Did they have a swear jar at Harley Davidson? What about the Harley school? They probably have one there. See how much shinier that one is? It's the same finish. It's just this one has a bunch of low spots in it. Don't need a chuck key like this, dangerous.
Yeah, get you.
If you ever get hit by one, you wouldn't like it. I've never been hit by one, but nailed. Been grazed by one before. As long as it hits you in the head, you're okay.
Right.
This one feels rough. What's the blasting when it get in here? So this does remove some material too. Not a lot. We'll take it down eventually. Is there a defect in the valve?
Just space it
Yeah.
out.
Defect right there. Wear mark, that's valve, the top of the valve guide was out. Is that a used valve? Think this will have one. What?
Should I space it out with another washer?
Space what out?
The main shaft, the little nut at the end.
I don't know what you're doing over
On
there.
the trap door, I'm trying to put the free plate.
What do you got on there right now?
I don't know, one that I had, I thought it came off it,
What came off what? What do you got?
no spacer that goes underneath the nut on the main shaft.
Okay, do you have it there?
Yeah.
Okay. What about the spacer on the inside?
Spacer on the nut? Underneath the nut?
Who took the tranny apart? There's the first problem.
The second problem is I came here to get it fixed.
That's right. They didn't get much help, did you?
Got made fun of once.
How's that look? At least we didn't videotape it.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, well, there you go. Alright, looks a lot better. This is a little bit out of round right here in the center. You couldn't feel it, but I could. There's the wear mark there. That feels a lot better. This one here is not quite as smooth. Feel the difference?
Mm-hmm.
Feel the blasting these low marks in there. Alright, kill the light. Okay, put that back, put that back. Put this back yet. Okay, so these need to be ground. These need to be ground. All this crap over here needs to be honed. I'm gonna busy day. Alright. We'll be back.